In Mark 12:30-31, Jesus gives us what he calls the greatest commandments. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind and with all your strength. Mark 12:30. Love your neighbor as yourself. Mark 12:31. Now, some people might think this means the 10 Commandments are no longer important. But that's not what Jesus is saying. He's summarizing the law into two simple truths: love God and love people. When you look at the 10 Commandments, the first 5 are all about honoring God. Don't worship other gods. Keep the Sabbath. Don't misuse his name. That's loving God with all your heart, soul, mind, and strength. The other 5 are about how we treat others. Don't steal. Don't lie. Don't commit adultery. Don't covet. That's loving your neighbor as yourself. What Jesus does here is show us that everything, all of God's commands, comes down to love. When you love God, you naturally obey the commands that honor him. When you love your neighbor, you treat them with kindness, honesty, and respect. Paul says in Romans 13:10, love is the fulfillment of the law. Jesus wasn't replacing the 10 Commandments. He was showing us their true purpose. So here's the challenge. Are you loving God with everything you have? Are you loving the people around you like Jesus loves you? That's the heart of his message. No matter what you're facing today, remember this: God's love for you never fails. Trust in him, follow his commands, and love others like he loves you. Stay strong. He's with you every step of the way.